Hello there, this is Rahil from All About Affiliate Marketing, and in today's video, we'll talk about the affiliate program of kiwi.com. So let me take you to their website, which is of course kiwi.com. For the ones who don't know about them, kiwi.com is an innovative travel booking website that helps users find affordable flights, trains, and buses worldwide. The platform uses smart search technology to create unique route combinations that saves travelers money. With kiwi.com, you can book flexible, low-cost travel options all in one seamless experience. So what you're waiting for? Come to the website, explore all their amazing features, and if you want to book something for yourself, you can go ahead and do that. But that's not exactly why we are here. We are here to earn money from kiwi.com. Possible? Of course, why not? Simply join their affiliate program and start promoting them to your audience, to your traffic. And when you bring sales to them, you will end up receiving commission. So affiliates from which country can join their affiliate program, and to the consumers of which country can they promote in order to receive commission? No restriction found for any of those. So regardless of your country as an affiliate and the country of your traffic and your audience, you would still be able to receive commission as long as you bring sales to them to valid sales, of course. Now let's learn more about their affiliate program. For that, let me take you to the website called travelpayouts.com. Now, what is travel payouts and what does that have to do with kiwi.com? So travel payouts is one of the top travel related affiliate marketing network out there. What is an affiliate marketing network? They work as a mediator between brands and affiliates. That means if you want to join the affiliate program of different brands out there, you must join the respective affiliate marketing network. In our case, if you want to join the affiliate program of kiwi.com, we must join Travel Payouts as an affiliate. And to join them, simply click on Get Started from the top right hand side, which will take you to this page. Over here, initiate the sign up process. Now, I understand there are many nuances involved when doing the sign up with any affiliate marketing network out there, so don't you worry, I got you covered. As usual, I have created a video on how to create and use Travel Payouts affiliate account. You'll find the link in the video description. Click on the link, follow the instructions from there, and get yourself a free Travel Payouts affiliate account. Once you have an account with them, simply come to their website, click on login. It will take you to the login page, enter your credentials, and then it will take you to something called affiliate dashboard. Now, this is a place where you would be able to find different affiliate programs, especially of the travel brands, but we'll keep the focus of the video only on kiwi.com. So to find the affiliate program, you can look at the left hand side menu bar, click on programs, and then all. It will take you to this page. Over here, start typing Kiwi, and then it will show you the tile of kiwi.com. Simply click on that tile to get to the affiliate program page of kiwi.com. Once here, you can see the commission rate. So you will get 3% of the sale amount. That's good. And if you scroll down, you can see Kiwi does not accept websites that are under constructions, website with no content, website with no travel content, website with incomplete content, website forums, website that are not maintained with new content. So that means you must have travel related content and it should be up to date. And if you scroll down, you can see more details. So these are the languages available on the website, target countries as we discussed worldwide, and then what kind of affiliates they're okay with. So website, social media, video platform, newsletter, they're kind of fine with it. They are not okay with travel businesses too. Having a travel website is different than having a travel business, so they are not okay with travel businesses. Personal bookings, so they are, or rather, they don't provide commission on personal bookings. Coupons or promo codes, so they're okay with coupon affiliates as well. Now, let's say you want to read the program terms, simply click on program terms and read that too. And after reading it all, let's say if you still have more question, you can click on ask a question and initiate a question with them. And in order to apply to their affiliate program, simply click on connect to program. From here, you can choose your project. The project is your traffic source that you must have given during the sign up process. So you can connect using the project type that you want to get affiliated with. And as you can see, you're connected to kiwi.com program. The good thing about kiwi.com, it's an instant connection. That means the moment you click on connect and you follow what I followed, you would highly likely be approved by kiwi.com affiliate program. And once you have been approved, what's next? You can start promoting them. And to promote them, you can't just take any link from the website. You have to create tracking link. And to get your tracking link, you can again be on the affiliate program page of kiwi.com. And once you're here, you have to click on links. And within links, you would be able to see the ready-made links. Now, there's a possibility you might see the instructions to go to the tool section to get your link, but for kiwi.com it won't work. You will also see an option here, the older version. Simply click on older version, and then you would be able to see all these different links. So any tracking link that you want to get from here, you can simply click on get link. For example, I want to get the kiwi.com US pen page. I'm gonna click on get link, and over here I can copy this tracking link. So same way you can also get your tracking link from the kiwi.com affiliate program. And as you can see, the moment I pasted it here, it took me to the kiwi.com US. So like this, you can get tracking link for all the available pages in here and start promoting them to your audience and traffic. Right, so now you learn how to get your tracking link. The next question arises, where can you promote kiwi.com? There are many ways, but still I'm gonna cover a few. One way is website. That doesn't matter whatever kind of website you got, so long as you have been approved by kiwi.com, you can promote them anywhere on your website. Maybe pick homepage, maybe pick category page, wherever you feel like it's more suited for your audience, for your traffic. Choose that place, create some banners, and put it on your websites. Second way is blog. Now, blog could be amazing here because you could write blog posts about amazing, beautiful places out there and put your tracking link of kiwi.com with your blog post. So this way, when readers would read it, if they like it, they'll click on the link, they'll buy to get commission. Third way is social media. Social media will allow you to create a number of content. You can create videos, reels, shorts, posts, and put your tracking link with the comments or the description. It could work in your favor. Fourth way is travel and tourism website. Now, these kind of websites are amazing for websites or brands like kiwi.com. So maybe you create a standalone section on your website and feature brands like kiwi.com. So this way, when people would come to your website, they will go to that feature section, and if they find kiwi.com over there, they'll click on it, and if they book in anything from kiwi.com, you will end up getting commission. So these are some of the ways you can promote them. The next question arises, where would you see your performance? To see your performance, you can come to the affiliate dashboard once again. Over here, you can see your quick states for understanding. And if you want to have more details, you can come to the programs. You can go to your connected one. And over here, you would be able to see your tile of kiwi.com. Simply click on the tile. It will take you again to the affiliate program page. Over here within performance, you can go to summary, and here you would be able to see the summary of your performance that will include earnings, clicks, confirmed booking, and other details. And over here you can see even more details. And if you want to see your bookings, the actual bookings done by audience, by your traffic, you can click on bookings, and over here you will get to see the details if the booking has ever been made. To even have more details, you can again look at the left hand side. You can click on reports and click on performance. Over here you can run the performance, and you can see the impressions, clicks, pending, cancel, and all other details for the brands, in our case kiwi.com. And you can also click on bookings to see the actual booking done by audience and your traffic. And to see your accumulated commission, you can always look at the top left hand side. Over here you would be able to see your available balance. Other way is within finance, you look at the balance breakdown. Over here you would be able to see your balance breakdown, which will include the balance, which is the commission coming from kiwi.com. And if you look at the left hand side within payout method, you can click here to ensure you have set up your payment method. And to set up payment method, first you have to go with country of residence. So I'm gonna type in India. In your case, you can also select your country of residence, and depending on your country of residence, you would get the payment method accordingly. Let's see if you're getting the same options as mine. You can go with PayPal. In that case, simply click on add and give your PayPal related details. And if you want to receive the commission via bank deposit or electronic fund transfer, you can go with any of these options. You got web money, you got bank accounts. So simply click on add and provide the details accordingly. And all the commission that has been accumulated and has been issued to you, you can always come to the payout history, and over here you would be able to see your accumulated commission. So this is how you can set up your payment method and start receiving commission from travel payouts. All right, so this is how you find the affiliate program of kiwi.com. You apply to them, you get the approval, you start bringing sales to them and start earning commission. And this brings us to the end of the video. I hope the video was helpful to you and helped you in learning all about the affiliate program of kiwi.com. Now, as an affiliate, if you want to grow more and if you want to become better in your affiliate marketing journey, basically you want to have some great ideas, then I got some amazing resources for you. I got premium resources and as well as the free resources that I've created from my 11 years of experience in affiliate marketing. I've mentioned those in the video description. Choose any of the ones that you like. You can also start with free, and then if you want to go with the premium one, it's up to you. Now, apart from all this, if you still have any question related to affiliate marketing, or if you want me to create a video like this on the affiliate program of any other brand, do let me know in the comment section and I'll try my best to create a video on them. In the meantime, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon so that any video I create like this, you get notified for the same. Thanks for watching.